Well, this is Kane, an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Kane is currently at PetSmart in Nashua, waiting for you. Look at those feet. Do you want to do a happy dance now? Hello, Kane. You've got gorgeous stripes about you. Hi. You've got gorgeous eyes, gorgeous feet. You're just one gorgeous kitty, aren't you? What's that? Are you looking for somebody to play with you? Well, we're going into a little dark area here. It's better we go the other place, Kane. Hi. Hi. Come here, Kane. Hi, Kane. Well, that's not the best view. Okay, you're just a little too busy here, huh? Don't want to play with the toys that I'm giving you? Like to get out and stretch, don't you, Kane? Okay.